How to activate your Chase credit card or debit card without logging into any account. Let's get started. Method 1. Activate by phone. The easiest way to activate your Chase credit or debit card without logging into an online account is by calling Chase card activation line. For a credit card, dial 1-800-432-3117. For a debit card, dial 1-800-935-9935. Once connected, the automated system will guide you through the activation process. You'll need to provide your 16-digit credit or debit card number, the expiration date of your card, and 3-digit security code CVV from the back of your card. For security reasons, the system may ask you to verify your identity by providing last 4 digits of your social security number, billing zip code. Once the details are verified, the system will confirm that your card has been successfully activated and you can begin using your Chase debit or credit card immediately. Method 2. Activate at Chase ATM. You can also activate your Chase credit or debit card by visiting any Chase ATM, which allows you to complete the activation without logging into any account. Locate the nearest Chase ATM using their ATM locator on the Chase website. Insert your new Chase credit or debit card into the ATM. Enter your PIN. If you don't have one, set it up. Follow the ATM's on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Once activated, your card will be ready for immediate use. So this way you can easily activate your Chase Bank credit or debit card without logging into any account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.